My Black Friday purchases have started rolling in. I've got plenty to share with you. And if you stay to the end, I have some video footage of a couple of Christmas bazaars I attended that were really neat. So come join me. Hello, welcome back to my sewing room. If we've not met, my name is Christine and this is my channel where I talk about all things sewing. I have got a lot of fun mail the last few days, things that I have treated myself to. Some of it I will show you today and some of it will be over the course of a couple of videos. The first thing I want to show you is the Kylie and the Machine labels that I ordered from Megan Nielsen in their 25% off sale, and I got myself 5 packs of labels. Now this has helped to lessen my feeling of being left out because I did not purchase the Kylie and the Machine advent calendar. I don't know how many Vlogmases you are watching, but I'm watching a lot. And I have been enjoying watching people open their Kylie and the Machine labels in the Beyond the Pink Doors advent calendars. Both of those calendars just look so much fun. But I got quite a few labels. I got some metallic ones, some You Are Loved labels. Ta-da! Those will probably go in things that I make for myself. One of a kind. And I also got Hello Gorgeous, and I bought that one for Charlie's outfits that I make for him. So anyway, I got these, super excited to add them to my label collection. I find adding the personal labels kind of fun, and when you get a good quality one, it's not scratchy, so I don't mind inserting these. I forgot to tell you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Cielo top by Closet Core Patterns, and I am wearing the Cleo Pinafore by Tilly and the Buttons. Today I went to the local church's Christmas bazaar. I was kind of cheating on my church bazaar. I worked our bazaar yesterday all day, and so this morning I went to St. Lawrence here in Fairhope where I live, and just to check out their bazaar. I got 3 compliments on my Cleo Pinafore, just walking around doing a little shopping. So while I was shopping, I picked up what I thought was the perfect birthday gift for our grandson who will be 2 in a few days. So I've got to get this off to the UPS store to make sure it gets to him on his birthday. It's a little cement truck, and I just thought that would be really fun and maybe a little something different. Also handmade, so I do like that. I also got my PDF plotting patterns that I had ordered printed out in the mail yesterday. So I'm anxious, well, I'm not really anxious to cut them out and sort them and put them in the envelopes, but I am anxious to sew a couple of items from those patterns. So I'm glad to get them. The other item that I got, and you will see in the next couple of videos, if the fit is okay, is I ordered myself some really cute sewing themed t-shirts from Etsy. They look like they might be a little bit large. I have not tried them on yet. I've got them sitting over on the chair there. My hair is wild enough as it is without pulling a t-shirt over it. This time of year, it can't decide whether it's going to frizz or curl, and it tends towards frizz. So I also received the fabrics that I ordered from Blackbird Fabrics. And let me tell you, this is the most beautiful fabric haul I have ever purchased. I can see why people rave about Blackbird fabric, and I'm going to be doing a fabric haul dedicated to those fabrics. So look for that to come next week. So on to what I have been working on. I've been doing a lot of cleaning up around here, so I don't have a lot of sewing progress other than my first entry into I'm So Festive. It's actually half of the entry. I have the pajama bottoms for my oldest grandson. And notice this stripe matching is definitely on point. And this is the Brianna pajama pattern. I still have to do the top. And I made it out of this cotton jersey that I bought from So English. And this was very inexpensive. I want to say it was less than $5 a yard. And I got it early in the fall, late summer. I got it so early so that I could get it ahead of the game and make these Christmas pajamas. And you notice I'm still working on them in December. I sewed one pair up right away and then been taking my time getting the others finished. I did insert one of Paige Joanna's labels in, and every time I use one of her labels, I'm amazed at how soft they are. Sometimes I'm reticent to add a label or a tag, whatever you want to call it, into clothing, especially for children. And for myself, as a matter of fact, if I think it's going to be scratchy, but I know the kids are going to need to know what side is front and what side is back because they're dressing themselves. At least the oldest two are. And these are nice and soft. And I think they'll like the rainbow. I kept the rainbow serger thread in the machine since they love the color and they would rather have the rainbow that might show through on the white than to have me switch it over to white. So anyway, that's my first entry into I'm So Festive. Really quick and easy, unless you are sewing tired. Let this be a cautionary tale of sewing tired. I was making these pants and I realized that I had sewn 2 back pieces instead of a back and a front piece. I was tired. Did I stop? No. I decided, let me just quickly cut out another front piece and get that leg run up so I can finish these pajama pants. So I sewed up the front leg, put it together, and the next thing I knew, when I was trying to match around this U, around the crotch inside leg, I had 2 left legs. So that was 2 mistakes sewing tired. I waited till I was more fresh to finish up those pants. And now I'm thinking, after I finish the other grandchildren's pajama pants, since I am so close to finishing another pair, I have a niece who is 8 and this will fit her. So I'll make sure I'm not tired and finish this pair up. But I got to get the grandsons finished first. That is a cautionary tale. We all know not to sew when we're tired and to stop when we make the first stupid mistake. But many of us keep pushing on, and I pushed on twice. So now I have an extra pant leg. I went to 2 Christmas bazaars this weekend. I'm going to insert some video footage from the first bazaar. This is my church bazaar, and I was volunteering yesterday. I did a little shopping yesterday, and you may notice some items that I sewed and donated for sale. A couple of the ladies are kind of genius at both marketing and how they display the items. The packaging and the display. Really, they do a lot with a little. And so I really do appreciate working with them on this important fundraiser. Now the second video here is of the bazaar that I went to this morning. This is the Catholic church in the town where I live. and they really had a nice setup. It's a little bit different from our church's bazaar, but it was very family friendly, very festive, and I did buy a few things. In addition to the cement mixer for my grandson, I picked up some treats and some chocolate apples. Thanks so much for joining me. Look for my fabric haul to come next week. And until next time, I hope you have a joyful week and that you find the good in all things, especially sewing.